So now let's talk about catalog application. It's over here. Here we can manage hotels, countries, cities, regions, and also continents and subcontinents. Subcontinents is like a group of countries that you're selling just to organize it. So let's start from Southeast Asia, Indonesia. Here we can find cities. Cities or islands or some big regions that can be described like city. It's a bigger region in country, actually, not really city. For example, Bali, it's like an island which can be divided on smaller regions. So we can see smaller regions here in Bali, and here is hotels. For example, let's look at one of my favorite. So here we have different tabs. First of tabs, it's enabled cultures, enabled languages. First one is Russian, as we can see. Second one is English, so we can add descriptions on different languages, enabled languages. And here rooms tab. Here we can add some rooms in hotel with options. Gallery, it's images of that hotel. Map, that is a map. And messages, it's some kind of it's messages which is you need to show on your website for hotel. For example, some maintenance in hotel, pool is out of order, or some renovation in hotel. That is the messages. To find hotel fast, you can use fast search. For example, Bali Intercontinental. It also has description. But if you want to add some hotel, you can just press here add. For example, some hotel. Here is checkbox public. Public checkbox is better to press when you have description and images. Public means for system or for website that this hotel has description, so this hotel has its own web page. If hotel is not public, it doesn't have any web page. So better unpress this checkbox at first. Next one. So what does it mean? Original name. For example, if you have some Chinese hotel with authentic name or Russian name, for example, for Russian hotel. X name, for example, if you have previous name and you want this name to be searchable, you have to add it here. Not like this. Not like this. But like this. You can leave a blank slug option because it will be automatically generated. Oh, here is category. Just let us 3 stars. Also in data application you can set up some location categories. For example, beach hotel, city hotel, in nature hotel, mountains, etc. And level categories: econom, standard, premium, business, VIP. But if you don't know, if you don't have special category for this hotel, you can just leave it blank. Also in data category you can fill in networks of hotels. Here you can fill inside of this hotel, for example, some hotel.com and address. Address I will leave it blank. Here you can add a logo of hotel, but it is not necessary, and here is some options. Some pool, library, parking, and here's free options. For example, pool is free, library is also free. And here we have descriptions. Different parts of descriptions, which is also can be managed, and a data application over here, description profile. So you just need to filter it, hotel. So we can see fields, and none of them are compulsory, as you can see. Compulsory, that means if you don't have description for this field, you can't save this object. For example, if you mark common description as compulsory, without common description you can save this hotel or other object. But we leave it blank, so we don't have any descriptions, and we can save this hotel. So you can press just save over here, and this hotel is stored without any description. And now we want to add some rooms. Let's say standard room. Also can add some description in different languages over here, and adults only, adults plus kids 2+1. Total rooms in hotel, for example, let's say quite big hotel, 50 rooms. So in-room facilities or in-room options you can press here: TV, minibar, bathtubs, shower, internet. better unpress these objects, this checkbox. Save. But you can actually you can add multiple options, multiple rooms, just in few clicks. Add deluxe, just in, for example, deluxe and premium, without any additional info, just in case if you are very busy at the moment. And also you can add some images for these rooms. Let's say we have some images over here. Just for example. Please note, when you're using high quality pictures, they are storing in special library which can be accessible after that. So if you need some high quality pictures, for example, in future for your printed brochures, it can be just exported. So better use high quality pictures. They are automatically preparing for web. So here is our rooms, and then we are going to library and add some images. For example, like this and like this. Save. Please note, this first image will be like a representative image of this object, this hotel. If you want to use another image, you have to use rank options. For example, you want this image to be like a presentation of this hotel, so you need to rank this image. You don't need to save after that. In case if you want to delete image, you can use this button, but in case if you want to delete many images, you can just check over here and choose delete button and then execute button. Then we go to tab. For real addresses, it will automatically search this object on the map, but here we have no address, and map is automatically located at the Bali position, so we can just use, for example, we know that this object is somewhere here. Just tick and save. That's all. Once you did it, you can see this sign on the map tab. So that means that you already assigned a map to the hotel. By the way, if you want to check hotels list, for example, you want to check if there are any descriptions, if there are any images, if there are a map, you can just press on the list link and you can see all the details. So for example, you want to find every hotel without without map, you can filter it, no map, and then just press on the map button and search for that hotel on the map. For example, like this, save, and back to gallery. Or you want to see all hotels without descriptions, no descriptions, and you just can press edit and add some description over here. Some notice about this tree of objects. As you can see, here is some yellow hotels, some green and some red. Yellow means that hotel has rates or has or public. Green means that hotel is public and has rates. Green means that hotel is not public and has no rates. So what do we have next? What else useful? So every object has description. For example, if you press on some region, you can see also description, Russian, English, map, and gallery, and also has messages. You can add some messages for region. Same with city. Bali city. Different descriptions. Gallery. Map. Messages. Also, I would like to tell you about special wiki format that we're using in our catalog. As you can see, here is only text fields with some special signs. For example, if you want to mark some text as bold, you can select it and then press B. To preview your text, you can do it with this button. As you can see, here is all text converted. So that's all.